I placed my order with Van Dyke's Restorers for 5 products for my upcoming weekend project. I have snuck a peek into a few of the boxes, but I haven't opened everything and gotten it out of the packaging yet. So I want to do that with you here today. This is the Regency door knocker from Brass Accents. Brass Accents products are solid brass. It came wrapped in this large bubble wrap, but also in a separate box and in some thick plastic. It feels, it's got some weight to it. It's not super heavy, but it does feel substantial, super high quality. I got the antique brass finish, and it is a polished antique brass, so it is a little bit shiny. I think it's a great size. I don't think it's going to overtake the door, but it's going to look really nice and really classic. You can get these engraved, so if you wanted to write a last name or a house number, I think that'd be a really nice touch. I think it's going to look amazing. This Van Dyke's product is from the brand Livex Lighting. There are a ton of different options on the site for Livex lighting. This one is an outdoor option. So we got the styrofoam around it with tape holding it closed. Also encased in some plastic. And this is an outdoor lantern. Let's get it opened up. Got the same antique brass finish. It is a different brand, so could be a little bit different look, but I think it's going to look really nice with the other products that I purchased. It is real glass on this. It's filled right now with it looks like some paper products that they fit in there. That's probably just to keep that glass from moving and breaking, but seems very well packaged. Nothing looks broken. As I'm inspecting it now, you've got where you'll mount it in the back, and those wires ready. These are beautiful light fixtures. Everything from the Livex Lighting brand on the site looks amazing. I think any of those would be a nice touch, but I think this one's super classic and it's going to look great. This product is from Brass Accents. It is a kick plate for your door. This one is adhesive mount, so you don't have to screw any holes in. It's peel and stick, so really simple to install. So let's get it out. Instructions on the box not to bend, so that's good because this is a thin metal piece. It is in there with this board to keep it stable, so to keep it from bending, and it's taped to that. It's also got the protection of this paper to keep it from getting scratched. Here's the peel and stick backing. You'll just peel this off and attach. Right now it has a vinyl layer on it, but I am going to pull it back so you can see the finish. Wow. It's a beautiful antique brass. That's going to look amazing. This one is 8 by 34, but you can customize a bunch of different sizes. So whatever your door size is, you can get whatever you need for that door size. There are screw mount options as well. So if you don't trust the peel and stick, you can get one where you do mount it with screws. But came very well packaged. I'm excited to get this on our door. Not only is it going to be beautiful, but it's going to protect the door from kicks, or if you have a pet that likes to scratch, it's going to keep your door from getting damaged. This is by the brand Whitehall, and it's the Williamsburg Personalized Address Plaque. Comes with a cute thank you card from them. And like I said, this is personalized, so you can put whatever your house number is on it. They have other options on the Van Dyke's website where you can place your last name if you'd like, or a street name, but I just went with the numbers. Our house doesn't have the numbers on the front at all, so this is going to be something we really needed to add, and I'm hopeful that its large size will make it be able to be seen from the street. I think it's going to be a beautiful touch. It's something that can stay there forever. It's really sturdy. It's real metal. It's not plastic. It's not gonna fall apart. I'm gonna hang this right by the door, so it's the first thing you see, and especially when a visitor walks up, it's gonna leave an impression. It definitely is gonna feel like a personal touch and be a really nice addition to the front door. This is gonna go really well with that antique brass that I purchased for the other products I'm installing. This Van Dyke's product is from the brand Nostalgic Warehouse. It's the New York Sea Grip entry set. I'm super excited to see this. This box is heavy. This thing has to be high quality. It feels really substantial and I haven't even seen it yet. Got the Grandeur by Nostalgic Warehouse on this other box. I really have not opened this one yet. So I'm excited to see it. The rest I had peeked at, but this one I have not. Isn't that beautiful? Antique brass finish. This is forged brass. It is not flimsy, feels very substantial, very high quality, and it looks just beautiful. It's going to be a major upgrade from the door set we have now. Wow. And here's the interior doorknob. So the other was what will go on the exterior, and this is the interior. And just as beautiful, just as high quality. So excited to get this installed. Thanks for unboxing these Van Dyke's products with me today. I can't wait to get these installed. It's going to make this weekend project amazing. We'll share it here, so come back and check in with us. What's your next weekend project?